Hi, good morning. Again, this is Chinkitan. Just like to give you my daily encouragement and my daily inspiration. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever made any serious sacrifice you have done in your life? Yung talagang sobrang sakripisyo mo, you have sacrificed your time, you have sacrificed your money, you have sacrificed your energy, you have sacrificed even your life for the sake of someone. Nagsakripisyo ka. And I'm sure all of us we have made some sacrifices one time in our life. But one thing I learned about sacrifices is this. Once you made a sacrifice, it means to say that you are releasing something. This is the principle that I've learned. The greater the sacrifice, the greater power unleashed. Kung malaki ang sakripisyo mo sa trabaho mo, kung malaki ang sakripisyo mo sa buhay mo, kung malaki ang sakripisyo mo sa negosyo mo, ang ginagawa mo minsan, ang umaga ginagawa mong araw, ang araw ginagawa mo namang gabi. Let's say, nagsasakripisyo ka na gumigising ng umaga at nagko-commute ka at nakipagsiksikan ka sa MRT, nakipag-awang ka sa FX, no? Malaking sakripisyo. Nagsasakripisyo ka na pumunta ka ng abroad para kumita ng pera para sa iyong pamilya, na iniiwanan mo yung anak mo, yung asawa mo sa Pinas para ikaw ay kumita. Napakalaking sakripisyo niyan. And ito yung magandang balita. Kung ano man ang sakripisyo na nagawa mo, it's all worth it. At the same time, you know what you need to do? You just need to wait and be more patient, because there will come a day that your sacrifices will bear much fruit. Right now, wala kang nakikita. Wala kang nararamdaman. Ang tanong mo pa minsan kailan matatapos ang sakripisyon to? Let me tell you, it will soon come to pass. Darating ang araw, you would reap your benefit. Whatever you sow, you will reap. So I just want to encourage you today, whatever sacrifices you have made, never give up. Just like my shirt that you have seen right now, never give up on your dreams. No matter what happens, huwag kang bibigay, huwag kang aayaw. Because I do believe all the sacrifices that you and I have invested will come and bear much fruit. So I just want to encourage you again, if you want to follow me and then know more about how you can get encouraged, get more information, I want to encourage you, aside from following me at my Facebook account, please follow me at my Viber account. I have a Viber account, and then go to public chat and then type Chinkitan, and then also follow me at Instagram and Twitter. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.